I'm at Dreams Royal Beach in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. There's a guy with room service. And this is, if you walk out the back part of the balcony before we go in, it's the hallway. We're gonna go in this room. It is not a preferred club, it's just a regular ocean view king. So, power. So you walk in and you have the bathroom on the left and closet on the right, and then the room. Let's start with the bathroom. Shower. Towel rack up here. It has incense. It has a bag of amenities with some shampoo and lotion. It's pretty standard, and then just some other little things down there. All right, mirror over there. Let's go the toilet. Sorry, I'm not doing very good. Toilet, small little room for that. Then you turn and you have the closet. And then we'll do it. Oops. Hold on. Okay. So that is the other side. Again, looking back at the door and the bathroom. Over here, place to hang some things, which is nice because I always have beach bags. A little bench. This is the king, but they also have 2 doubles or 2 queen beds as an option. There is a ceiling fan. It's nice and cool in here, thankfully. So, place for charger, night light, reading light. Over here, there's a desk. The full-length mirror with all my stuff. And this side has phone, clock. Actually, not sure what the rest of that is. Oh, remote control. I haven't gotten in there yet. Seating area. Mini bar, coffee, some more storage. Let's take a quick peek. Storage over on this side, mini bar on this side. I was a little disappointed to see they didn't have Presidente in here, but that is the current offering. And then coffee, ice bucket. And then I do not have an ocean view. I just have a pool view. So we're gonna go check it out. First, the balcony has seating, and then the jacuzzi tub. So, nice big pool down there. And it's January, but it is hot, hot, hot. So I'm super excited to get in the water at some point. So that is it. Dreams Royal Beach in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic.